Hi guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to make slime with only two ingredients. Don't mind that, that's my money. First, you need the spoon or anything just to mix and bowl. That's that's not the ingredients. The real ingredients is glue and champion bar. You you cannot use any soup, just champion bar, because it's not gonna activate. First, we need to pour our glue in. Make sure it's made in Philippines. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Next, you need the champion. You need the champion. So, guys, I did not add anything. I just accidentally paused it, but look, it's not activated or anything. I did not add any activator. And wait, just gonna scoop. I mean, wait, just look at that. Spread it like that. Then that's okay. Mix, mix, mix. OMG, there's a hair. Wait, just gonna take the hair off. Cause I just take the hair off, then still mixing. Then if it gets like that, you can start mixing with your hands. Wait, gonna mix. I'm done mixing it. Then it's just a little bit of sticky, but it's slime. Oh my gosh. Wait, gonna add some color in it. Added some powder, just gonna mix it. I'm done mixing it. Now let's add the beads. Guys, I'm done putting the beads on. There's beads in there. Then I'm just gonna add these beads on top. Oh, it sticks. Wait, I just added in it. Then you can start playing it. So guys, we're done, and I just mix it and play it. So guys, make sure if you're watching this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye bye.